Hi, Heartland retail users. Today we are going to go over coupons. Appreciate you joining us. The first thing we want to do is go to our settings and take a look at our users. You want your user to be an administrator so that they have all permissions. But let's say that you're going to let your store manager do coupons. We'll take a look at our store manager, scroll down, and we're going to allow them to manage promotions and view and redeem coupons, and they can also manage coupons. So once they've done that, they'll be able to create coupons. If you don't want them to be able to create coupons, that's an option too. They cannot manage the coupons or promotions, but they can view and redeem coupons. It's up to you. It's your choice. Since we're logged in as me and I'm an administrator, we wouldn't have any restrictions. So once you've done that, you're going to go to your sales, click on coupons, and we're going to create one. I'm going to create a June birthday coupon. Okay. These are all the ones that you have active now or paused. I'm going to go to new, and we're going to call this one June. That's our code. That's what the clerk will type in. This is our June birthday, and we're going to start June 1st. The store opens at 10, and we're going to end June 30th, and we'll bring it down to 11 p.m. All right. Now you can limit the number of times this coupon can be used in total, or you can limit to one per customer. I'm going to make sure we limit it to one per customer and hit create. At this point, you're going to set up the conditions and the actions. Okay. For us, we're going to say the condition is a birthday month is one of June. So if the customer has a birthday month of June, it's going to allow them to use this coupon. When they do that, they will get, if you want, you could do buy one, get one free, percentage off a single item. So I'm going to say percentage off a single item, and they're going to get 20% off the highest priced item's current price. At this point, you can choose original price or ticket current price. I'm going to say the current price and click save. So if we go back to our coupons, we will see the June birthday. Now, do you notice it says paused? So we want to go in there and we want to make sure that we click on start. Once we've done that, if we take a look at our coupons, it's currently active. So it will work when we go to the sales screen. So let's do that. Let's try and ring up a customer that is going to use the June birthday. So we must have a birthday in June. All right. I'm going to go to a new ticket. All right. And our customer joining us today, I have his customer number, is Remington. So we've chosen our customer. I have a lot of sales reps here today working with me. So we might want to take them off. All right. So we've got me as the sales. We've got Remington. And we'll look up a couple items here. Let's see. Let's pick something. He's come in. He's going to go ahead and buy a jacket. All right. Today. And all right. So we've got a jacket. We've got the sales tax. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the coupon. Once we've done that, it automatically applies a discount of $31.80 to the ticket total, and you're ready to go. If you find that he wants to save his coupon for another time to buy a more expensive item maybe, you can just click remove the coupon. If he goes back and changes his mind, we just type in June, and the coupon is automatically entered in, and you can tender the sale. Now just to take a look at this, I want to look at the the customer information. All right. And the reason this works is because we do have a custom field of birthday and the customer's birthday is entered. These are some other uh, coupons that we like to use, and one of them might be the anniversary month, and use that to send out a reminder to shop at the store for that anniversary. But in order for the coupon to work, the customer does have to have a birthday month in there of June. If you might need to, if it does not have in there, then you might need to enter the month of June 1st and then go ahead and apply the coupon. Well, there you go. Thank you. Appreciate you joining us. Have a great day.